No, he doesn't, Matt. Quit that. Stop it. Matt, you just caused problems.
She does know where it is.
Why do that?
I keep like.
I know where it is.
I already looked in here.
Dad. Dad, get me. Milk does a body good.
Why did you tell me?
I didn't tell
Yes,
you.
you did.
I pointed you in the right direction. I didn't tell you. Don't let. Hey, you know what? You're gonna have to
Mama,
like
can I have a donut?
look through there. Yeah.
My kid always has these big dramatic Easter basket problems. Every year.
Honey, next year,
Dramatic Easter basket problem.
next year have the Easter Bunny put his right on the counter here.
Don't tell me
Yeah,
what it is.
next year Mikey should be like at the very top, and he'll be looking for it for like 2 hours, and it's like on the living room center of the.
You always have these big dramatic Easter basket problems.
Too bad. Okay, take it over, Mikey, and put it at on the. Take yours over.
You got everything? Nothing fell out?
Yeah.
Don't tell me next time.
Okay, go look at it.
I'm trying to find it myself. That's the point of me.
These are like the best.
Matt, did you get any toys in yours?
Then you, Mikey, next time you wake up at 6 o'clock so you can get the your hunt started, okay? The rest of us will sleep in till
You wanted
8:30.
it to be hard. You said, Ellie,
I know, but I didn't
it's
tell
hard.
But I didn't want anybody to help me because that was the whole point. So we
How
all
did you
myself.
get?
What'd you say?
I said, okay.
What are you saying?
Get a load of that.
What about it? Heather, cover up, would you? This is film. This is G-rated.
Good night, guys.